Okay, so you want to learn how to code in Python. Python is a general programming language that can be used for creating games and automating projects, but maybe you have a Chromebook. Chromebook does not allow you, without installing Linux on your operating system, to be able to use a Python IDE. So in order to use Python on a Chromebook, or to be able to code in Python, you can use a website called Repl.it. By typing into your Google browser, Repl.it, it'll take you to this website here, Repl.com. To sign up, in the top right, you'll find the Sign Up button. Connect it to your Google account using the Connect with Google button and choosing your email and password. Once you go through the account creation process, it'll bring you to the home screen like this. This is where you'll be able to access your recent projects. You can connect to GitHub. There's lots of great, easy to access links here right from the home page. When you're ready to get started with your first project, you can click Create REPL. Choose your programming language. This is a video series on Python, so you would select Python and give your first project a name. And when you're ready, click Create REPL.